Hey folks, welcome to the Rusty Snake Ranch, Southern Edition. So anyway, today we've got something neat to work on here. It's really a pain in the neck, but got a little Ryobi. And this little Ryobi is used to like pressure wash your sidewalks, your siding, your ceilings, all of that stuff. Only problem is our pressure washer is not washing a thing. So it's just a large paperweight. So what we're going to do today is we've kind of figured out what's going on. We've tested the switch here. The switch has continuity. We've tested the leads into the motor and they seem to have continuity. And then we went ahead and tested the ground fault protector. And even though the light is green when we plug it in, there is no power coming out of those two little terminals there. So what we've done is we've gone online and we've picked us up a new one. You definitely don't want to plug it in straight into the wall without that ground fault detector because you don't want to risk electrocuting yourself. So I know it's cheaper to do it the other way, but it's also more dangerous. So today we're going to go ahead and open this up and we're going to install a new one on here, show you how that's done. Easiest way to install it is to go ahead and pull back those terminals on the old one. So I'm going to hand my camera over to my cameraman. We're going to go ahead and get this one opened up. And we hope this is a quick fix. If it's not, you'll never see it. We don't upload failures here on the Rusty Snake. All right. All right, so that terminal there comes off like that. All right, you'll see that they have your bronze colored one, your silver colored one. Okay. And we're going to take a look at this one here just for a moment with some glasses on. Looks like the terminals are already opened up, so we're going to go ahead and open up these terminals. And it looks like on the Ryobi they had the silver to black. Yep, looks like it's in the same color configuration accordion directions. Don't read those too often, but figured I'd take a look since they reversed the colors on there where they're in the opposite direction here. So we'll take a look at that. We'll get these pulled out. And then before we put these screws into the new terminal, we've got this piece that needs to be slipped off, okay? Because we've got another piece that looks really almost identical. But since it came with the new one, we're going to put on the new one. And basically what it does is it locks. You can see how it crimps down on the wire once we get everything tightened up. So we want to make sure that we use that. We're going to slip that in there, okay? And since they're opposite color wise, we're gonna turn that wire over. And then I'm gonna shake it upside down because it's easier for me to get those terminals in. Let those plates drop down in. There we go. See, we're there. And I'm gonna go ahead and lock those terminals down. All right, and then this is going to slip up and in. All right, before we go any further, I'm going to go ahead and just grab an extension cord and plug that into it. We'll see if she turns on. If she doesn't, there's no need to go any further. All right, I heard a click. Oop. Of course, it would have to fall. Don't touch right here because you got your terminals. Gonna hit the reset. Okay, lights on. Now we're gonna hit our power button. Well, there you go, folks. For the cost of about $17.99 on the old Amazon, we've got this power washer up and ready to power wash some more. So we're gonna go ahead and just install a gasket on here. And once we get the gasket installed, we'll go ahead and put the 4 screws on. I'm sure you guys know how to use a Phillips screwdriver. If you don't, you should be attempting this at all. But we'll go ahead and unplug it before we begin that process. But thanks a lot for joining us on the Rusty Snake Ranch to install a GFI plug.